Alright guys, today we're gonna work on 2011 Porsche Panamera V8 4.8 non-turbo air filter. Most of the people cannot find the location. It's right behind the bumper. So I'm gonna walk you through the procedure. This is the bumper, this is the air filter, and we got that Hengst air filter for the cabin filter. We got the MAN air filter, and we got the iridium spark plugs benzo, which is gonna be high performance rather than manufacturer recommended Bosch. This one is better if you want to go with. So in order to remove the bumper, you need to turn the wheel all the way inside, make sure it's not locked, take off these screws. It's a star T20 and there is one here, and then disconnect the light right there, then disconnect the sensor right there. In order to disconnect the sensor, push this tab right here and then disconnect it. Then same thing on the other side. This part is broken because of the accident. And then when you do it on the other side, take off the bumper, put it on this safe place. You don't want to scratch it. Then the air filter is just right here. This is the air filter housing. You got to grab the Phillips screwdriver, take them off, and then make sure you clean it. You put enough air. After that, in order to remove that bumper, one more thing that I forgot, you have to remove the headlights. In order to remove the headlights, you're gonna need the special tool. It's in the trunk. So it's just like if you have the Porsche right there, it's in the trunk over there, as you see. So basically, on the passenger side, you go that way, you turn it counterclockwise, you take it off, disconnect the light bulb, and disconnect the hose. There is a tab, push it in and disconnect the hose. On the passenger side, on the driver's side, excuse me, you have to, this is the light, this is the bolt right behind the AC hose. You have to turn it clockwise. So remember, passenger side counterclockwise, driver's side clockwise, and take it out. Disconnect the light, disconnect the hose, and take the bulb off. Then the bumper has got the holder or pin right here. Just slide it inside, toward inside, take it off. The other side, same thing. Slide it inside and take it off. This is how it looks like. Then when they take it off, be careful. Carefully detach the bumper from here and put it on the side. Then disconnect this air filter housing, take off. Make sure you blow it off with the air and everything, and then we move forward. In order to do the spark plugs, you have to remove all these screws. Take this off, loosen this one, just lift it up, and remove this one, the cover. Take the ignition coils and take off the spark plugs. On the other side, you're gonna be careful about this line. It is just like power line. This is the positive battery cable. Remove these things off. Remove the cover. Take off the ignition coil. Be very careful. You're gonna have a little bit hard time on the very last one, and then replace the spark plugs. Just for your information, the manufacturer doesn't recommend to put any anti-seize on the threads for the spark plugs. You don't need to do that. And if you do it, put it a little bit, very, very tiny amount of that, and don't over torque it. The torque for the spark plug is supposed to be 20 Newton meter. So 20 Newton meter. So no more than that. If you want to put anti-seize a little bit, just don't go with 20. Go with like 15 to 16, because that anti-seize is gonna cause the over torquing and over tightening the bolts. Anyway, spark plug replacement, air filter replacement, and on the cabin air filter, I have the car on the lift, but remove open the glove box. There is a cover behind it. Just use your hand and just loosen it off. There is a tool free, and then when you loosen it up on your left hand, you're gonna see the opening. You take that off window or opening, and then you can take off the cabin air filter. It's easy procedure. But on this job that I'm talking about, that air filter is almost 4 hours, that the spark plugs is almost 4 hours too. I'm talking about 8-hour jobs. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe the channel. A lot more yet to come, and we go from there. See you next time.